In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode in Photopea. This feature allows you to work in a darker interface, which can reduce eye strain and make editing easier. You can enable dark mode from anywhere in Photopea, whether you are on the main website or inside a project. If your current theme is light and you want to switch to dark mode, look at the top of your screen and click the More option. From the drop-down menu, hover your mouse over theme, and a side menu will appear with multiple theme options. These include light, grey, blue, purple, black, and several other colors. Darker shades, such as dark grey, dark blue, purple, or black, are considered dark mode themes. For example, selecting black will immediately change your interface to a dark theme. You can experiment with different options to see which one suits you best. Most users prefer the dark grey theme, which gives a classic dark mode appearance while keeping the interface clear and easy to read. Simply click on the theme you want, and your workspace will reflect the changes instantly. Dark mode makes it easier to focus on your projects, especially during long editing sessions, and you can always switch back to a lighter theme if needed. And this is how you can enable dark mode in Photopea.